Oh, that's really attractive. Hey there guys, good morning, welcome back. This is Sierra, and once again, this position that I'm standing in is incredibly uncomfortable. Always an adventure. Anyways, if you are new around here, my name is Sierra and I'm an American who lives in England. Every week I make a video about my family's life here and the shenanigans either we get up to or I get up to on the weekly. So in today's video today, actually it is part 2 of this week's video, although I don't know if they'll be going up the same week. My goal is to get this up either the day after I upload that one or the Sunday after, but I don't know if that's going to happen. So anyways, as you guys tell by the title, we're gonna be doing a little Stitch Fix unboxing part 2. I already did the unboxing and reaction part, so if you want to watch that, I'll put it up in the cards for you and also down in the description of the video. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, I did give a little Reader's Digest version in the last video, so you can go there and check it out. But basically it is a subscription shopping service where you get clothing sent to you and you try them on at home and you can relax and not have to worry about catching COVID while you shop. Anyways, that's everything I wanted to say, so let's just get into trying on all of these pieces. Enjoy my hair and makeup now, because after I try these pieces on for you, it's not going to look quite as cute. But as per usual, when I am trying on outfits for you guys, I have my little try-on outfit here. I have my custom black leggings, well, not custom, but just my classic black leggings, and then a white top. Usually I wear a white long sleeve shirt. Today I have a 3/4 one. I can't not wear something when I try on clothing because who knows what's crawling on that from the last person who tried it on. So yeah, let's try on some stuff. So first thing we're going to try on is we're going to try on this little black sweater that is Icelandic inspired, or at least I think it's Icelandic inspired. I think it's really cute. I really want an Icelandic sweater, but they're usually made of wool, and wool's not my jam. So yeah, let's try this on. It's so cute. I love it. The thing I don't love is this band stitching here, which I don't know. I feel like the sweater would just be a lot cuter if it didn't have that band at the bottom, but I guess they did it to match the sleeves. But yeah, I really like this and I'll probably be keeping it. The only thing that I wanted to mention before I try on the next piece is I did notice inside the sleeve there is a thread that's just kind of floating around, and I haven't figured out yet whether or not this is just left over from the sewing or if it's a loose thread. Actually, the more I look at it, I think that it is just a loose thread from when they finished off the sewing. But yeah, otherwise the sewing on the inside is done really well. So yeah, I definitely think I'm going to keep this sweater unless I find some other manufacturing defect. It's just really cute and fun, and it's exactly what I wanted. So yeah, I'm going to try on something else for you. Alright, so I didn't actually change that much. I actually just tried on the skirt because my stylist said in her little letter to me that she thought that I could wear this sweater with the skirt, and so I wanted to see how it looked together. So let's step back a little bit. And this is the green skirt. I'll show you guys a better picture of it. It's a pencil skirt, and I guess it just kind of hits me right like at the tops of my kneecaps, which I don't know what I think about the length, but I wanted to show you guys kind of like what the height is like. I don't know what I think about it. I mean, it's just a green pencil skirt. I'm gonna have to try it on about 50 more times with the other items in my wardrobe. It's not that I don't like it, I just feel like in comparison to the other pencil skirts I have, it's not particularly special, so I don't know. Oh, we will see. Oh, that's really attractive. Jeez, my hair is a mess. Okay, anyways, we're not here to talk about my hair. I have the sweater on now. I'm gonna step back a little bit so you guys can see it. I have no idea what I think about this. I mean, I definitely like the green color. What do you guys think of the yellow color? Do you guys think that it's weird? I don't know. It looks different on camera than it does in the mirror over there, but I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it. I don't know if you guys saw my first Stitch Fix video I ever made, but I received a sweater that was similar to this one. Not the same colors, but I think it was like lavender, medium purple, and dark purple. Maybe it was white. I don't remember. I'll put it up here if I can find a photo of it. I don't know what I think about this, but this reminds me a lot about that. Upon further inspection, I am noticing that these sleeves are see-through up here, which I guess I did mention in the unboxing video, and also here. And one of my concerns with it is it's just not going to be very warm. And as you guys know, or maybe you don't, I live in Yorkshire, England, and it gets pretty cold, and I think that right now it's already too cold to be wearing this sweater outside unless I wear a jacket over it. The other thing I'm concerned about is here, because it's completely transparent. I wouldn't be able to wear it without like some kind of tank top or other t-shirt under it, so that's kind of a concern. I'm worried about like my bra strap showing or whatever, so I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. I'm thinking this is going to be a no just because there's so many weird things about it, but I don't know. We'll try something else. Purple time. I feel like every time I try on dresses or skirts with this camera, I have to choose between letting you see my face and letting you see like the full length of the dress. So I don't know. Sorry if you can't see me on here, but it hits me just over my knees, which is fine because I always wear leggings or tights under it anyway because it's autumn. I'm not really exactly sure what to say about it other than it's like a purple dress. The thing I don't like about the fabric is when I was checking it out in between the unboxing video and this try on video, I did notice that the fabric is really thin, and I don't know if it's because it's cheap or if it's just the type of fabric they use or if they just want it to be like a really flowy style. I don't know, but when I hold it up in front of the camera you can actually see through the fabric, so that makes me kind of sad. So I'm guessing this dress is probably going to be a no for me. I'll let you know for sure down here, but okay. I got on my final piece and so far I really like it, but I have a few complaints. I'm going to show it to you guys first. You guys can see kind of what I'm talking about. I really like the fit and the color. I think it's really cute and really pretty. I think the length is really good. The part along the bottom that flutters is really interesting. I don't know how they did that, but I really like how it's like fluttery and more like playful. It's really cute. However, this dress has a couple of things about it that make me a little bit upset. First thing is going to be, they say it's a wrap dress, and oh honey, this is not a wrap dress. It does have a tie here, but as you guys can see, this tie does not adjust anything. The other thing that I think is really kind of interesting about it, or not really interesting or bad, is that the neckline in this dress is a little bit delicious. I have a slightly low cut shirt on today right now, but I feel like if I were to wear this out, it would really show off a lot of my business, if you know what I mean. However, I guess I could avoid that by just wearing a tank top under it or something. And also I have mixed feelings about these sleeves because I usually don't like elasticy sleeves because I feel like it's like gripping me. But I guess one thing I do like about them is that I can roll my sleeves up and they actually stay there. So I don't know. I would say I'm 50-50 on this dress, but overall I do really like how the shape of it is and the color of the dress, but the super deliciousness and the sleeves are making it a hard choice for me. So leaning more towards a yes on this dress. I'll have to let you guys know down below. Anyways, that's the end of my little try on video. I'm getting really hot in here because the heat is on right now in our house and the swimming lakes are pretty hot, so I'm gonna let you guys go for now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know your favorite pieces from my picks in the comment section, and if you were me, which ones that you would pick. Like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.